Let's open the Play-Doh. Ta-da! Hi guys, today we're gonna open this. Let's open this. Yay! Put it, and then you can put it on the thing, and twist it. Let's build this. Let's open the Play-Doh. Ta-da! Go and make a cupcake.
Ali, what are you gonna do?
I would pick this one.
You want that one? Yellow one?
Yeah.
What are you gonna make?
I'm going to have sprinkles.
Is that a sprinkle Play-Doh? Yeah.
I'm going to have blue, pieces. And a mixed color. Okay. Right here. I'm going to make a circle just like this. I'm going to make it into a waffle, but it's going to be a cupcake.
In here and make a shape.
It's too big.
What are you making? You want to press it through?
Yeah.
Let's see. Look, you press it like this. Look at a shape coming. What are you making?
Make the cupcake. Just make it glass.
Then you need to take the purple bit out and then put more Play-Doh in it. Put more of the yellow one inside. Good boy. Push it all in. Are you making a shape?
Yeah.
Press it. What? Ooh, check it out. Making shapes?
Yeah, I'm going to make a gummy bear. Oops.
Oh, that looks nice. What are you making?
I'm going to keep this in for a couple of minutes.
Oh, that's a lovely shape.
I'm just looking at cut out for this one.
So guys, have you made some shapes here?
Yes. I'm going to redo my gummy bear. I'm going to cut this. Guys, we're making a cupcake. So I'm going to put it on.
Put your sprinkles on?
I'm going to make a cake now.
It's a mini cupcake. Play-Doh cupcake.
Be really careful to not make a fall.
What you got here? You put all the Play-Doh in here.
Yes, we're gonna
Can we
make.
check it?
Yes.
Oh, look all the different shapes.
Wow.
You're gonna cut them out?
Yes.